Hello. If you are a dine-in restaurant, this demo video is for you. Following are the contents that we are going to cover in this video. Billing related. So, first we will see normal billing. Then, we will move to waiter or captain ordering app. This is the app for your staff to take orders. Then, we will see how your customers can themselves place orders using their smartphones by scanning QR code. Then, we will see how chef will receive the orders. And then, we will see owner mobile app. Then, we will see other features like self-pickup delivery, Captain Winod, customer data and SMS, and YouTube videos in regional languages. At the end, we will see some common queries raised by restaurants. So, let us start with normal billing. This normal billing feature, you will find easily available in any software. But, let us see how we can do this on Foodoo. Here, I have already created the tables and you can take takeaway orders also here. For suppose, I have to place an order in table 2, so simply I will do double click. I am operating here with mouse. If you want so you can even operate it from keyboard. Here there is keyboard shortcut given. Now, I will add some items. These are items order which customer has given us. I have to send this order to the chef, so I will click on send to chef and then confirm, and the order has been sent to the chef. Order to chef can be given through two sources. Either you can place the printer, so whenever you will click on send to chef, chef will get a printout of order. Or else give chef a mobile phone and install our Foodoo team app, there the orders will be displayed in their phone itself. So these are basically the two modes. Now I have kept in mobile mode, means orders will be displayed to chef in mobile phone. This is the first order, so usually customer don't order at once, they take time. In the second time if the customer asked to add some items. Suppose in second order customer asked to add water bottle. In this case, what we do is click on direct add to bill. Then it will not go to the chef, it will be directly added to the bill. Also, in case of Coke, we do direct add to bill and confirm. So this is added to bill directly and the chef doesn't get a printout of this. We get all the features in this. We can do billing in multiple tables at a time. We can keep one table on hold and we can do billing on another table. Also there is a feature of fast mode billing. Now, if you want to settle payment of rupees 277, we will click on payment rupees 277. Then, we will get payment options. Here we can maintain cash of the customer and balance amount of the customer in Khata. We can also create payment mode like Paytm, PhonePe, SBI. Now, if I want to settle the payment in cash, we will click on submit. You can also send e-bill to the customers by entering mobile number of customers. Now, I want to print, so I will select number of copies to be printed. Whenever you finalize the order, the table becomes green automatically, which means the table is unoccupied. So, this was all about normal billing, which all restaurants uses commonly. If you are using Foodoo, we suggest you to use advanced mode of billing. So, let's move towards second mode of billing, that is waiter or captain ordering app. This helps in cutting cost, increases service efficiency, and also increase customer satisfaction. Today, what happens is captains and waiters go to the table of customer and take orders and then write it on paper. If we take orders by phone, what will happen is we don't have to go to the kitchen again and again, saving a lot of time. Also, this reduces the work of manager or biller, as he don't have to do billing, it becomes automatic. Only they have to do is just to take payment. And they can look after different things and responsibilities or any other work. Now, we will create captain user. For that, go on masters, then users. Here you have to make IDs for captains by clicking on add one. And give that ID and password to the captain. In Play Store, there are two apps. First, Foodoo admin app for owners and second, Foodoo team app for captains and chef. Now, we will ask our captain and chef to log into the team app by that created ID and password. This app is very simple. It is as easy as WhatsApp. So let us punch an order from captain. Suppose the captain has to punch a customer order on table 8. See, table is green currently. Just 2 clicks for billing. First, select the table. Second, select the items and submit. As soon as the captain clicks on Send to Chef button, the table will become red in the admin panel. Admins can see all order-related details. At the same time, a printout of the order will be printed in the kitchen automatically. Now third end of ordering is customer self-ordering. At every table, you just have to keep the QR code. Customers can simply scan that QR code. For scanning, they don't have to install any particular app. They can simply scan the code with any QR scanning app. In this way, menu will get open. Your restaurant name, mobile number, everything will be displayed. Customers will select items, then view cart. For first time, they have to add name and phone number for OTP verification. These customer details will be automatically saved to your database for running promotional campaigns. As they click on submit, table becomes red, means order is placed. Now it will go in the process very seamlessly. You can make ordering from all the ends simultaneously. This means if the customer has placed the first order, further the captain and admin can add more items in the same order. So, ordering can be done from all 3 ends simultaneously. Okay, so here, we have seen all our billings. So now, let's see how order will reach to the chef. There are 2 ways to send order to chef. First, printed orders. This is the common way. You can install the printer in the kitchen, and you will get printout of each order. Second is digital orders via Voodoo Chef app. We will cover digital model in this demo video. For creating chef user, we have to again go on users, and then click on add one. And here, you can create chef type user. Just give this ID and password to your chef, and they can log in through that ID and password in the Voodoo team app. All the orders sent to chef will be displayed to chef in the app. Whenever any item is ready, they just have to click ready and confirm. Status will be automatically sent. If suppose any item like noodle is unable to be made, so simply we will do untick and ready and yes. Here, if we double click, call to delivery person for pickup. So the delivery boy will come for pickup. One more thing, from here, we can call to the person who has given the order to confirm anything. Now here, in details, you can see everything which chef has cancelled the order. Here you can see, all the details are automatically displayed. Now manager or cashier just have to take the payment. In Owner app also, all things are displayed in real time. Owner can see everything in this app. Now quickly, we will see all other features also. Very first, self-pickup delivery. So, if you want to accept your delivery or pickup orders, you will be provided ordering website along with the software. Here, I will go on delivery pickup setting. You can edit on setting, how much discount you want to give, minimum bill amount, delivery charges, which menu is to be displayed, SMS, etc. Everything can be done. After that you can copy the link from here or also from the admin app. Click on Share menu. So, template MSG will be sent on WhatsApp to the customers. They don't need to download any app. Also, in delivery pickup, which service you have to keep on or off, you can manage it from here. You can also do it from PC. Here, I have done it from mobile app. Now, link which you have sent has been reached to the customers. When they will click on the link, in this way menu will be displayed in their phone. Simply, it is also displayed as dining menu. There is only one minor change that I will show you. Here, customer will add some items then view cart. Now see, here they have the option of self-pickup or delivery. They will select the option and then submit. Whenever you will receive the order of self-pickup, loud alarm will ring. You can accept or decline the orders from here. Now, other feature is Captain Vinod. This is an auto-suggestion feature. This basically note down the choices of the customers. So, next time, when the customer visits, Captain Vinod itself pop up and suggests what are the choices of the customers. This also helps in raising your orders. Also, you don't need to worry about training. This YouTube video button is available everywhere. So, your staff can see this video and they can easily understand the video, as the video are in regional language. Along with the new features, videos are also updated from time to time. One doubt that mostly people ask is that whether this software works offline. So, let me clear you that this software is cloud-based, but what works offline, let's see. As we have seen normal billing, so normal billing works offline. Just log in and disconnect. It will work offline. But if you want to take orders from customer or chef, so this will not work offline. In that case, internet is required. Also, you need not to worry about backup or sync up. When internet will active back again, so devices will automatically sync. At one time, you can use it on n number of devices. You can run all devices at once, as real-time syncing is available. If you update something on one PC, so it will be displayed to all others also. Here, you are getting many types of reports. You can also file GST from the software. And, in case you require deep GST, other than GSTR1, so you will also get this in accounting. Also, many people ask about menu management. So here, if you want to change the price of the items, go on items and change the price. Immediately it will change. You can also run different menu in different floor. You can update different menu for Zomato and Swiggy. Here, if you will see, you will get many options for menu management. So, this was the overall content of this video. Now, if you want to know anything additional, like we are having inventory with recipe management, accounting, staff attendance and payroll, expense management and role management. So, for this, you can demand different videos. Or this is our official support number. You will get support or sales on this number. In photo package, you will get everything. We rapidly update you about everything. Whichever feature is new in market, we update you with it.